Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to mount up one of these fiberglass hoods. So if you're new to the channel, this is my 335xi. It has a single turbo, wide body, around 550 all-wheel horsepower, so make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like that. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the hood. And I only have one strut mounted up. I need to get two of them because, as you can see, the hood doesn't really stay up. So what I'm going to do is grab my jack stand thing so I can hold up this hood. So the first thing you're going to do is take your stock hood, take everything off of it, all the bolts and everything, your strut, even these little suckers that go in here, and also your latch, these little hooks that go in your holes on your stock hood. So what I'm going to do right now, take off this hood, so then I have more area to work with the back side of these, and I also don't want a bunch of fiberglass inside the engine bay. Alright, so that kind of took a little bit of time. It was like around 5 minutes of taking that off. So all you have to do is take out these bottom two bolts completely, and then loosen the top ones, and then it'll just slide out. As you can see, you have to take out the bottom ones, and then if you just loosen up the top ones, you can slide them out. So my holes were already made for me from factory, right here and right here, where your two hood latches are going to go through. So what I'm going to do is, see this ledge here that is all nice and this is all hollow here. So I'm going to drill a hole in back here. You're not going to really see it whenever you open up the hood, so don't be too worried about it. So I'm going to do it on both sides. So first, let's get to that. Alright, I got my holes drilled out on both sides. You want to make sure the holes are big enough to fit whatever size you're going to need to be able to put that bolt on the back side of the stud. Alright, so what you want to do is take your little hook here, make sure you get a nut that can thread on it this way. So then what you're going to do is put it through the hood, then you're going to need to get another bolt that goes on the back side of it. So what I'm going to do on the back side, I'm also going to add a washer just for a tad bit extra security. I think the two bolts with a little flathead thing on it, like a little built-in washer on it, would do fine, but just in case, you don't want your hood flying up open.
One hour later.
Alright, I got this one on here. Make sure you put it somewhere you can remember, because I've been looking for it for a half hour. So let's throw the hood on and try to adjust these to the right size that they need to be. very cool beans. The hood is actually on and the fitment is okay. I had to fiddle with the latches a little bit, but got it all fit up nicely and everything. Latches are in. Now all I have to do is actually get an extra strut on here so it actually will stay up. Alright guys, let me know what you think about the hood down in the comments, and also, what do you think about this camera? Let me know about that down in the comments. Maybe I might go invest into a nicer looking camera, so just let me know. They're not using my phone this time. A little disclaimer, I'm saying that this is not the best way to mount up a fiberglass or carbon fiber hood. They actually won't even let you run this on the track how it is right now. You would actually need some hood pins, and I'll put the picture of hood pins that you would probably need, or hood latches, anything that will on the outside of your car to hold it down securely. It is very thin fiberglass on the inside. I've also seen people run this how I did it and they haven't had any problems. I'm just saying, higher speeds it gets a little sketchy, so just make sure if you want to be super confident, throw in some hood pins. I know I am, so just putting that out there. Alright guys, I think that's all that's going to do for the video today, so make sure you hit the like button down below and also subscribe.